Every day you're being asked to use AI at work, how to think with it, how to make better decisions with it, and how to put it to work. Then the workday ends, but your day doesn't. You're still planning, you're still organizing, you're still making decisions, whether that's planning your next trip, making a big financial decision, thinking through your next career move. You're just not bringing those same AI supported capabilities with you. Hi, I'm Stephanie LeBlanc-Godfrey, founder of Mother AI. I've spent over a decade as an executive at Google, and for the last 2 years, my work has centered on a question almost no AI training explores. What happens when the AI skills we're building professionally are intentionally applied to our life outside of work? The shift isn't about learning new skills, it's seeing the ones you already have just a little bit differently. The AI skills you're building at work don't stop being relevant when the workday ends. They just haven't been translated to the rest of your life. I'm going to give you a new lens for recognizing where AI creates value, where it doesn't, and where it genuinely belongs in the life outside of work. Let's put those skills to work. Same skills, different domain.